Hello, this is my very first Influenster Voxbox. It came in the mail today. All day today at work, I was really excited because I knew it was coming today. And let's open it up. And we have the Live Clean Coconut Milk Shampoo, 12 ounces. And then we have the Live Clean Coconut Milk Conditioner, also 12 ounces. So these are full-size bottles. We have the Always Infinity Flex Foam. We get 2 of those. And then we have the Nature's Bounty Probiotic Gummies. 60 gummies, so that's a whole month's supply. Pineapple, raspberry, and orange flavor. I was really looking forward to those. And we have the Skinny Pop Popcorn. It pops up into a box. I've never seen one of these. This is with sea salt. And that one is, I don't know, I don't think it's focusing, but it's 2.8 ounces. Let's see what else we have here. We have a charcoal paper mask. Yes to tomatoes, clear skin. Detoxifying charcoal paper mask. 1 application. We have $1 off any one Dannon Light and Fit single serve product. And it shows us it's the Daisy Voxbox. Got the card there with our instructions on what I need to do. Now this Daisy Voxbox was completely free, complimentary for me to try the products. Oh, 60% of women are wearing a pad that's too small. Okay, so it goes by the panty size and flow. Did not realize that. And then we have another $3 off coupon off of 1 Nature's Bounty Probiotic Gummies. Okay. It has information on that. And this was completely free, the Daisy Voxbox. And you can go to influenster.com, download the app. It makes everything so much easier. And hope you guys like this. I can't wait to try these products.